Just in the past decade, hundreds and thousands of people in Australia have installed solar panels for residential use. Moreover, there's been a dramatic growth in commercial farm installation just as well. Despite the utility of these panels in both the residential and commercial industry, they begin to lose their efficiency with time. Unfortunately, most people only realize this when the damage is done. The culprit behind? PID, or potential induced degradation. PID affects all solar panels. The PN junction of the cell is destroyed, making the cells less productive, less efficient. Thanks to Ori Solar Anti-PID, we have a solution to it. Our innovative anti-PID is connected in series between the solar panel and the inverter, which carefully calculates measurements in the daytime. At night, the inverter is disconnected to keep it safe from damage, and this is when our technology starts regenerating current back to the panel, restoring the cell's productivity. Ori Solar Anti-PID increases the efficiency of cells within days. And the best part, Anti-PID is a proven cost-efficient solution which can enhance the efficiency of the cells by up to 95%. Ori Solar, preserve the power of your solar panels. For further details, please give us a call today.